Hey, what's going on, guys? Alrighty, so it's Saturday. I'm gonna try and attempt to get a few things done today. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna do my girl's wheels for her TC that she got last year, and so I'll show you that. So I just got some new rubber on these things, so I just gotta clean them up, spray them black, and all that other jazz. Yesterday I didn't take a video, and I literally just popped the valve covers off. Just no big deal. Just all these 10 mil bolts. Probably should have taken a video, and just sprayed the block and whatnot. So yeah, that's a little update on the JZ. So after I finish eating my breakfast and drink my cup of diabetes, then I'll get started on these wheels. All right, guys, so we're gonna give these a little bit of a bath. It's using some Chemical Guys wheel cleaner and some water. Let's give her a go. Alright, guys, so I gave him a nice little light scuff with 800 grit. I'm going to show you guys the technique that I use to mask these off. I don't actually tape them. And normally what I would do is I normally use cue cards. And actually this works better. So I just found this, it's just like a notepad, like sticky at the top, like a sticky notepad. And I'm literally just putting them around. And as you put them around, you stick the one sticky edge to the other edge. And you just keep on going. And what this does is so you don't have to either take the tire off the rim. You also won't have overspray on the tire, and you also don't have to tape the tire off, so it's a win-win-win. So, and it doesn't take that long either, which is nice. So just like that, and then you just continue the rest of the way around the rim. All right, now that we got the rims all masked off, I'm gonna hit each rim with a quick wipe down using just a rag and some brake cleaner. Any dust that's falling on there or anything like that. All right, now I'm gonna give them a very, very light tack coat. So that was the final coat there. I just gotta let it dry up. Looks pretty damn good. We'll see what she turns out like afterwards. Alrighty guys, so the wheels are all painted. I just got the car in and I'm just gonna throw it up on the hoist. I'm gonna throw these wheels on. So let's take a look at what they're gonna look like. Check for any clay lotions in the air. Nice and tight. Alright, so most Toyota Lexus OE wheels use a shank nut. That's flat washer close to this one. These are 60-degree conical, and these are for the steelies. So I'm going to swap these out. She should be pretty happy. Make sure to always hand torque your wheels. So center caps aren't dry yet, but that's what she looks like. I don't want to go too low because, well, obviously it's my girl's car, and the less that she has to scrape over, the better. Looks great though. Looks absolutely great. So now, I'm gonna wait for those hubcaps to dry. I'll show you those right over here. These are just drying, just the Scion caps. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you need any help. I'll get right back to you. Take it easy, guys.